I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. This is a Lanz Bulldog model 1616, built in 1956. It was manufactured in Mannheim, Germany. Has a serial number of 163791. It has 16 horsepower, and the owner was Graham Thompson of Janesville, Iowa. The company was founded in 1859, and Lanz AG manufactured agricultural machinery in Mannheim, Germany, and continued through 1960, when Deere and Company acquired it in 1956, marking its first European manufacturing site. In 2006, this tractor was displayed at the 50th anniversary of John Deere's acquisition of the factory. It is owned by Graham Thompson, a John Deere employee that moved from Mannheim, Germany to Waterloo, Iowa in 2007, and he brought this special tractor with him. So now it's displayed for everyone to see. John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button